Dongles are connecting to the OBD port in the vehicle. OBD ports in the vehicles are there for the workshop. That's why regulation put them there. And they are great, but they have some challenges and limitations. For example, because it was made for the workshop, some parameters are not coming out. For example, the odometer, the mileage, is not part of the OBD. EVs, OBD is not part of the regulation. There's no OBD port in Tesla, and most of the EV companies don't have it. It's also created quite a big security issue for the OEMs. We saw many OBDs that are malfunctioning and create a lot of almost a DDoS effect on the CAN bus. So we see more and more OEMs limiting the access to data through OBD or even closing it down when the car is driving. They keep it open for when the car stands, because in the workshop the car stands. So I really believe that the prime days of OBD connectivity are behind it, and the future is embedded connectivity because of the richness of the data, because as a data consumer you can focus on your business, because EVs don't have OBD, because OEMs are reducing the functionality around OBD. I think that all those factors together are really pushing the market strongly towards embedded OEM-based connectivity. Thank you.